This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 23. These videos are specially designed for the students of CSS and PMS to help them prepare for the MCQs portion of the subjects, and other students who are preparing for any screening test for any job exam or competitive exam can also take benefit from these videos as well. So let's start. In this video we will discuss 34 MCQs regarding the Government of India Act 1935, and this is important video because the India Act of 1935 is important as a topic and from the MCQ point of view as well. So let's start. First MCQ, recommendations of all three roundtable conferences were handed over to a select committee who published its final report in November. Options are 1932, 1933, 1934, 1935. So the correct option is 1933. The final report was published in November 1933. Which act was announced by the British government in July 1935? Options are Communal Award, Act of 1919, Delhi Proposal, Government of India Act 1935. So the correct option is Government of India Act 1935 was announced by the British government. Act of 1935 was result of, options are Simon Commission, Communal Award, Joint Select Committee of Parliament, all of above. So the correct answer here is all of above. The Act of 1935 was the result of all of these scenarios: Simon Commission, Communal Award, and Joint Select Committee of Parliament. So all of above is the correct option here. Act of 1935 repealed Act. Options are Legislative Councils Act, Rowlatt Act, Law Act, Act of 1919. So fourth is the right option here, which is Act of 1919. Act of 1935 repealed the Act of 1919. Act of 1935 contained how many parts? Options are 10, 12, 14, 16. So third is the right option here, which is 14. Act of 1935 contained 14 parts. Act of 1935 contained how many schedules? Options are 10, 11, 12, 13. So first is the right option here, which is 10. Act of 1935 contained 10 schedules. Act of 1935 consisted of how many sections? Options are 324, 323, 322, 321. So the correct option here is 321. Act of 1935 consisted of 321 sections. Part 1 of the Act of 1935 pertained to which subjects? Options are federal subjects, provincial subjects, town subjects, union subjects. So second is the right option here, which is provincial subjects. Part 1 of the Act of 1935 pertained to provincial subjects. Part 2 of the Act of 1935 contained which list? Options are concurrent list of subjects, legislative list of subjects, federal list of subjects, provincial list of subjects. So third is the right option here, which is federal list of subjects. Part 2 of the Act of 1935 contained federal list of subjects. When Act of 1935 came into operation? Options are 2nd April 1937, 3rd April 1937, 4th April 1937, 5th April 1937. So second is the right option here, which is 3rd April 1937. Act of 1935 came into operation on 3rd April 1937. Act of 1935 introduced system. Options are parliamentary, federal, presidential, martial law. So the correct option here is federal. Act of 1935 introduced federal system. Which act divided legislative powers between provinces and center? Options are Act of Settlement, Regulating Act, Act of 1919, Act of 1935. So the correct option here is Act of 1935. Act of 1935 divided the legislative powers between provinces and center. Which act abolished the principle of diarchy in the provinces? Options are Lahore Act, Simon Act, Legislative Councils Act, Act of 1935. So fourth is the right option, which is Act of 1935. This Act of 1935 abolished the principle of diarchy in the provinces. Which act divided the subcontinent into 11 provinces? Options are Rowlatt Act, Act of 1935, Act of Settlement, Act of 1919. So the correct option here is Act of 1935. It is an important MCQ. Act of 1935 divided the subcontinent into 11 provinces. Which act introduced the system of diarchy in the center? Options are Act of 1935, Succession Act, Transfer of Property Act, Regulating Act. So the correct answer is Act of 1935. Under Act of 1935, every province was given a council of, options are scholars, ulama, ministers, political leaders. So the correct answer is ministers. As per Act of 1935, Governor General was appointed for years. Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. So the correct option here is 5. As per Act of 1935, Governor General was appointed for 5 years. According to Act of 1935, all the executive powers were given to, options are Congress, Secretary of State, Governor General, Viceroy. So the correct option is Viceroy. All the executive powers were given to Viceroy. Act of 1935 abolished which body? Options are Commissioners, Viceroy, Governor, Secretary of State. So fourth is the right option, which is Secretary of State. Elections of 1937 in subcontinent were held under the Act of, options are 1909, 1919, 1927, 1935. So fourth is the right option here, which is 1935. Elections of 1937 in subcontinent were held under the Act of 1935, and it is important MCQ. Act of 1935 separated Sindh province from which province? Options are UP, Bengal, Bombay, Assam. So the correct option is Bombay. Act of 1935 has separated the province of Sindh from the Bombay province. Which act separated Burma, now Myanmar, from India? Options are Regulating Act, Act of 1935, Crown Act, Act of 1919. So the correct option is Act of 1935. It is also important MCQ because this act has separated the Burma, which is now called Myanmar, from the land of India. The federal system introduced by the Act of 1935 was defective because, options are, there was no guarantee of individual liberties, the people were not given their rights, the authority was vested in the parliament, all of above. So fourth is the right option here, which is all of above. All of these are the options due to which the federal system introduced by the Act of 1935 was defective. What were the defects in the Act of 1935? Options are, it cancelled much of political advance, the federal system was defective, there were wide powers given to provinces, all of above. So the correct answer is all of above. All of these were the defects in the Act of 1935. Who rejected the Act of 1935? Options are religious leaders, political leaders, social reformist, economist. So correct answer here is political leaders. Political leaders rejected the Act of 1935. Why political parties of India condemned the Act of 1935? Options are, it did not possess the true nature of federation, it cancelled much of political advance, introduction of diarchy in the center, all of above. The first is the right option here, which is it did not possess the true nature of federation. Who termed the Act of 1935 as thoroughly rotten, fundamentally bad and totally unacceptable? Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Aga Khan, Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam. So fourth is the right option here, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Which act provided a comprehensive political and administrative system to the whole of subcontinent? Options are Rowlatt Act, Act of 1935, Communal Award, Act of 1919. So the correct option here is Act of 1935. The deliberation of Act of 1935 preparation were printed over how many pages? Options are 325, 326, 327, 328. Second is the right option here, which is 326. The deliberation of the Act of 1935 preparation were printed over 326 pages. Under Act of 1935, who was given control over about 80% of the federal subjects? Options are Secretary of State, Governor General, Member of Legislation, Viceroy. So fourth is the right option here, which is Viceroy. Under the Act of 1935, Viceroy was given the control of over about 80% of the federal subjects. Act of 1935 provided for the establishment of the federal court. The court consisted of a Chief Justice and how many other judges? Options are 10, 8, 6, 4. So the correct option here is 8. Which new province was formed under the Act of 1935? Options are Bengal, Assam, Orissa, Punjab. So the correct option here is Orissa, and it is important MCQ. Orissa was the province which was formed under the Act of 1935. According to Act of 1935, the seats in the various provinces were distributed on the basis of options are Indian Council Act, Communal Award, Rowlatt Act, Act of 1919. So the correct answer here is Communal Award. Act of 1935 marked the point of no return in options are constitutional development, political development, religious development, cultural development. So the correct answer here is constitutional development. The Act of 1935 marked the point of no return in constitutional development. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions to know that how much you have memorized from these MCQ. Thank you so much.